YouTube? We got the car in the back, traveling with the family, headed up to Go Auto, Gap, get some more Gap sauce for fruit. Pause. Get that Gap, you know, performance horsepower type of increase. Period. Got the GTR out here. Straps.
Turn left.
Yeah, Go Auto. Gonna unload it. Yep. Yep. You good? You good? Straight back. Yeah. You got it. You're just going on the wood. Good. 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 Yep. You good? No, for the front. Yeah, for the front. You leave it where it is. That's good. Let's see. Yep.
Go ahead.
You got it.
Go ahead.
You got it.
Go ahead.
You got it.
Stop.
And bring it a little. Yeah, bring it a little forward.
Where do I get the tire?
Yeah.
Okay. Right there. Okay, go ahead. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yep. Perfect. Perfect.
Just
See?
like that.
Yeah, that's
Go
perfect.
ahead.
You're clear now.
Ready to slow down?
Yeah.
You get on that side?
Yep. Yep. We're good.
Go ahead.
Yep.
ahead.
Perfect.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Over here.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you guys.
Turn down this, turn it down,
Okay.
so it'll be dumping out here.
All
Even
right.
if I can't find the turn down, it's not the end of the world.
Yeah.
They're already down here.
Okay.
I'm 99% sure we have them. I gotta have a program to get them.
All right.
But we have them. And saving that. Yeah. Okay. So far, like see, Toga put a heat wrap up there on that.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Remember he fixed this right here because remember this used to go over here.
Yeah.
He put a clamp there, so it's nice and clean. And then he did the same thing here. You see, he put like a little heat wrap on the sensor.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Oh,
it's good.
yeah, I see
It's
it.
nice. All these times you've been Poconos, what, 3-4 times now? And,
Yes.
you know, it looks good. No drama. It looks nice. Clean, dry. They're okay.
Okay.
How am I gonna install that coolant pressure sensor? I want to install it in here,
All right.
but that requires me taking this pipe out.
Oh, you gotta take the whole thing.
Well, I don't. How am I gonna do it? How am I
Yeah.
gonna drill it and tap it?
Yeah. Yep.
You know, but that would require that. I think a lot of antifreeze to get in the valley.
Yeah.
So I do have the kit that goes here. So we will normally cut this
Okay.
in half, and then we put the kit in it, in the middle of it,
Okay.
and then we put the sensor in the bottom of it.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna do that, seeing that we gotta get this back to you today.
Okay.
If not, I gotta take this pipe out
Yeah.
and drill this area right here and tap it right here, this little
Yeah.
guy right here,
Yep.
and then drill it and tap it and put a sensor there. But I think drilling in the car is not gonna happen. I have to pull it out.
Yeah.
The map sensor is gonna go here.
Okay.
Yeah, so you'll see that there's a bracket for it that goes in it, and I make a new harness, and a 5-bar map sensor will go in there.
Okay.
So let me get my ass to work.
Thank you. Back for some Gap sauce.
Yes, just I know you said I want to go 180. Now you're getting greedy,
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Definitely.
189.66. We're getting a little greedy, but
Yes.
it's okay to get a little greedy. So I think we have it. We're just gonna add the coolant pressure sensor and the 5-bar map sensor, not to give you more power, but just to have a closer look at how everything is going.
Okay.
You know, right now we have no idea what the coolant pressure is, and that's a 4-bar map sensor, and you're right at the top, max limit of it.
Okay.
Max limit, I believe, on the map sensor is 44.77 or something. You're hitting 44 point something. So
Yeah.
it's right there. Let's give it a 5-bar map sensor, and let's put a coolant pressure sensor so you can see the data, what it's doing, what the motor's doing and stuff. And I think you're taking out that exhaust will get you the extra couple miles an hour we were looking for here.
Yes.
But I'm happy with this car, actually. I'm very happy at what it's doing, and what you're achieving for your goals is pretty cool.
Same here.
Pretty cool.
It passed my expectations, really.
Yes, and I like it. It's like, I feel like it left the other day and the same came back the same way, so it's cool.
Yes.
That's a little nice thing, you know.
Yeah.
So let's see what we can do.
Yeah, you do great work.
We'll do this.
Yeah.
All right, so I'll see you in a little bit. Let me
Oh, this thing is loud. It's loud. Oh my God, that is loud.
I'll be back.
Okay.
I'm going to go to the border of Mexico, okay? I'll be back.
Okay, going to Mexico. Be right back.
She's yours.
Okay.
And RaceMotive 190, baby.
Yes, sir.
So, you know, you're greedy.
Yeah.
You want 189.
Yeah.
Now you want to go 190. So, took off the filters. I don't think we needed to, but just for the insurance, took the filters off. We took your exhaust out, put the turn downs on. And we went ahead and give them a little bit of safety here. We added a coolant pressure sensor right there, 10-bar coolant pressure sensor. Added that into the system, and then went ahead and put an AEM 5-bar map sensor instead of the 4-bar. And you know, just we're not going to turn the boost up anymore, but at least you won't hit no safety.
Yes.
Right, so you're at the limit of, you know, the 44 pounds with a 4-bar map sensor. You're right there, so
Yeah.
there's no need to hit a safety. So now you got that. I think 190, 191 without turning the power up is going to be good. You know, now
That's
that
key.
we had to make a small adjustment, but 5% of we had to add 5% fuel across the board. So 5% is 5%. You know.
Yes. Yep.
So that's how much more the car is making. So 5% more fueling. So that's good. I think you know, the 190 now that you should be able to get that no problem without turning the power up. You know, so that's the goal, and I think we're gonna achieve that goal. 190, 191, no problem.
Yes, sir.
I hope you win that belt.
Yeah.
That you've been wanting. So
Yeah, I need that. I got to bring that
I
home.
think you will. You know, you gotta stick to the plan.
Stick to the plan. Yep.
Yeah, stick to the plan. And you'll
Okay.
You'll get it. Yeah.
All right. Exhaust off. Filters off. Nice. Oh, thank you.
No
That's
problem.
the man right there.
Do the best I can, guys.
Definitely,
I'll
man.
be back at Pocono real soon with you.
Yes, we need to see the King GTR
Real
down
soon,
there.
You know,
Yeah.
real soon. When I
Okay.
get there, everybody knows what I do. So
Yes.
well, when I'm there,
One of the originators of the
Yes.
road race
I mean,
Poconos,
shit,
man.
the first GTR to ever go 200.
Yeah, look at that.
mean, you know, that was God knows how long ago was that?
Yeah.
2017 or something.
Yes.
So I mean,
That's a big feat.
the originator is right. You know.
Yes.
We'll be back at it. You know. Car's ready. It's just I'm not 100% just quite there yet, but I'll
Yeah.
be there. I'll join you on the next one.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
All right. Definitely. Got to bring out the
and
team.
then we'll I'll bring the sweeper as well. We'll sweep the floors. You know.
Yeah, definitely. Clean up all the
Yeah.
loose ends.
I'll bring the street sweeper and everything. So
Okay.
we'll take care of all that. I
Yes.
heard the roads were dirty down there. So
Yeah. They're real dirty.
we'll clean them up.
All right. that sounds amazing. That sounds good.
It's only gonna get better from here.
Wow.
We're just starting to tune it now, so we'll have it all ready next week.
Wow. And this is a 1,000.
This will. We don't know what it's gonna make, but it should make that. Yes.
Oh.
The plan is to make 1,000 wheel
Yeah.
and not push it. You know.
Yes. Clean. This is show car quality, man.
Yep. And it's still gotta button it up, you know.
Yeah.
But, it's all throttle by wire. Got a Motec and all that.
I like these, man. These clamps right here.
Yep. So if you want to take it off, it's literally.
Wow.
You know.
Yeah. So I was thinking about doing that.
We should.
Yeah. Thinking about doing that to mine.
So,
Wow.
still gotta finish up like the catch can and all those things, but just still gotta put the Motec dash in it.
Wow.
We're not gonna put the Motec dash in the cluster area.
Okay.
The display there.
Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna put a Motec in that display there. That's
Wow.
It's gonna be the Motec dash in there.
That's dope.
Yeah.
So you'll keep this
Yeah.
display.
Well, yeah, because OEM style, you know. But
Yeah.
we'll put a Motec up there, so because that display is super old.
Yeah.
It's very analog. You know?
Yeah.
This car is throttle by wire now. It has today's technology.
Okay.
You know, with all the bells and whistles, throttle by wire, all those things. Why not put a Motec dash in it?
Yeah.
And we have in Australia, they make the surround piece.
Yep.
But a new surround piece that the Motec display fits in it, so it looks like OEM.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
it's
cool.
It's not gonna look out of place, you know.
Yeah, it's gonna look like it belongs there.
Exactly.
That's
So
awesome.
cool. Yeah.
And you get to keep the original.
Exactly. And then
gauge.
we have the Motec pad. We can switch the maps.
Oh.
Put in rear wheel drive on the fly.
No way.
Like that, yeah. So,
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Motec dash. Yeah. So it's pretty badass. We'll
Oh.
have it all ready next week.
Okay.
It's all done now. Just gotta finish, cleaning up the little things and put some better tires on it and put it on the dyno. Next week, this car will make 1,000 wheel.
Wow.
Plan is to make 1,000 wheel, and that's got a precision 7275 next generation turbo. So
Jeez.
yeah,
That's a good size turbo.
yeah, next gen 7275. It should make the power, without pushing it at all. So
Yeah.
it's got a gradient intercooler. It's pretty cool. It's a 2.9. It's a 2.9 stroker. Oh, and check this out. These are the GTR R35 coil packs.
No way.
Yeah. So
That's dope.
The conversion. The R35 coil packs are far superior than the 1990s ignition system.
I bet.
So
Oh. Got some hidden gems in here.
it's pretty cool.
Oh. Beautiful, man. Priceless.
Yes.
Wow.
I mean, this is
the one.
look,
VSPEC.
it's the diamond.
Wow.
I mean,
Yeah.
that's just but
Yeah.
you know the saying. Yeah.
Yep. It is. VSPEC, man.
That's a pretty badass full exhaust and everything.
Wow.
It's a little dirty because it's been sitting there for.
Oh yeah, but I know it cleans up. That paint looks flawless.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have to get the motor out of there. We'll see.
Yeah.
Next time we'll have this one with you at Poconos,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah. These are the big bros over here.
So you see, like on your car, we put the turndowns on.
Yeah.
This one's got them already here.
Okay.
See the boost activated, so when the boost comes on, they open up,
Yeah.
activates.
Oh, that's pretty
Other
cool.
than that, it goes straight into the exhaust.
Oh.
So if you're driving just regular exhaust,
Yep.
as soon as you
Open it up.
it opens up, boost activated.
That's awesome.
It's not. You don't have to push a button or anything. It's all boost activated. Just,
Yeah.
You know.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Pretty nice setup. So
Yeah.
it's not loud all the time, you know.
Yeah. So, Boost Logic makes like pipe check.
They don't make that. We made. That's our custom.
Oh, okay.
Custom made, yes. But yes, the Boost Logic kit. They made this for me. But
Yeah.
They don't just make that, off the shelf for anybody.
Oh, okay.
That was made a long time ago.
Wow. That's pretty cool. That's a good idea.
Yes, 4-inch, and
So
when he's just driving, it's just quiet.
Quiet. That's awesome. So you can take it out on the street and
Yes.
it will just dump
As
when
soon
you're
as
ready.
Exactly. I think that's like a 14-pound spring in there.
Okay.
So somewhere along 14 pounds of boost.
Yeah.
To open up.
Oh, damn, that's worth it.
Yeah, no, it's pretty cool.
And
For the power, I mean, for the amount of power these cars make, you can't run the exhaust.
Yeah.
It just chokes it.
Yeah.
I mean, your power level was choking it.
Yeah.
I can only imagine this one.
Yep.
You know, so yeah.
Wow. Awesome.
This is literally 10 pound of shit in a 5-pound bag.
Yeah. Definitely.
A lot of shit.
Yeah, all compact.
Yeah.
A lot of power.
A lot of power. Yeah.
2,000 horsepower right there. Yeah. Wow. Parachute. I can't wait till this guy is out and you're out.
No, you know, as soon as we can get that turbo smoke under control.
Yeah.
You know, he should have been out there with you on Sunday, but it's one of those things, you know.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
Take it out and fix it and put it back in.
Yeah. Get stronger and faster.
That's it. Yeah.
Yep. Definitely.
At least the good thing is there's no hole in the motor. It's just turbos.
Yeah.
Take it off, unfortunately, fix it and.
Yep.
That's it.
All right, Toga.
Take care,
All right, see you, man. Thank you. Okay. I'm gonna try to bring home a trophy or something. That's the plan.
Yeah.